Alright, Busima Okabium from Bragan and Sam TV so. Edia Jesso, a promise. Ebusia, and I say dear MPP party no Eastern region in Yamia Kosono, Esewani, and Sawakachwe. Amanoka say Dr. Bryan Acheampong campaign be a oil Eastern region Busia. Say I'm sure ya MPP party needs better or no. Na party no, a gua, there's a year crana, ye. A best say beyond repair. Omontimi enye party ni biom na mema meka sanwa Charles Opoku presido ba be chire bibia wesa se ne di nkomo na nsem no se no de tudwa ebusunya ko tie nchechire mo de ma ye ne mbra ni wi a na aka chire de ntia ehu be hia se party no be sanction Bryan Acheampong they dey require na free party no emu
abusia. So there is a very troubling issue where cause NPP mu Eastern region na Sempenifu at that party no and form na ensi ho anhwe ama yi anto yi a ye be hu ase entokwa kese esi party nim ama nipa bi afemu awuwu anase ye prepare nkrofo bi. Now you see be 3 days ni aye wo call Upper West Akem adeso akotia New Job South Constituency aye Koforidua, and some of the constituencies away Eastern region are entokwa esi bo ho enya asem ketwa. And apparently, Honorable Bryan Acheampong, the campaign war Eastern region war now or day a year and throw any propaganda into and a day campaign or ncite grassroots to know against constituency executives. Now NPP MPs 59 omu declare omo support to Dr. Baomia, and then omo respond the omo issue official press statement addressing the kind of evil and divisive campaigner Honorable Bryan Acheampong wo Eastern region. Na me no wo ba be che ni edi kan. Mo be kai Dr. Baomia eko Eastern region koye ne campaign. First day no. Yenya 15 MPP MPs out of the 23 MPP MPs wo Eastern region. Press conference e declare on support Emma Dr. Baomia. Na sa asem ni si ye no. Honorable Bryan Acheampong obohu ne yamu hihye no onim se Eastern region na ye ne home region ontimi wini. Enti ne oye ne se o share ne campaign ase wo Eastern region o de ntro ene propaganda ane hye na entro a edi kan a odi ye anase na wo di kire delegates ene ne se MPC na wo ye press conference no omo ye wie na omo frɛ no e ka tere ne se ye politics keke na no omo ye. Na they don't mean it. Almost supported by me, but almost supported on the moon. Now, if almost can't actually any no send a text message. Emma Dr. Baomia, as a professional press conference, no, they don't support you, they support me rather. Now, 15 MPC, almost press statement to me, you almost call it Honorable Bryan Acheampong out. I can't any plane say, Mubia no friend. And almost then say, Ombuni Papua. Ofre no e kan sa asem no e kire no afen so o ma de ne say text message ku a so on Dr. Baomia exchange ye about MP so o mo frɛ no on publish na ewiase nyina hu ye nyina nim say enye no kra no abo Bryan Acheampong entro no try now entro a etoso mienu a Honorable Bryan Acheampong na ma o twa e di oye ne aba Eastern region MPP mu ene say Onam no or can't delegates, especially polling station executives and electoral area coordinators. Say 2024 no or no adi ne bottom sika Emma constituency executive so Monchama polling station for no. Now or can't say we are no asia ka attire so say or this sika na constituency for no or ma first sika no ama polling station for no. And the polling station for no emo mubunfu constituency executives no. Na saade we last 3 days adeso chairman a minim no minim ne personally obi a wabo bra ne nsem wo bia wo adwapade wo ne businesses emrantie bia wo constituency wo nkomo do mo nsa ekeka no constituency executives a omo investi o musika wo party ni mo omo musika na omo de hwe party for e wo Eastern region ho a omo no there is no way omo be pocket sika ye de aba hesi enfanya party aduma wo twa santro we eto omo so ema polling station fo ne kakra omo mbuade na omo adwiri mu ha sen komo do mo sabe keka constituency executives no mo de mo pa mo ncheke Kufuridua New Jabin South Adeso Upper West Akim Akotia Constitution mo ncheke na mo hwe what happened last 3 days Bryan Acheampong share the campaign ase na sa issue we MPs no 15 MPs na responding and apparently sika honorable Bryan Acheampong distribute to constituencies no enye ne botomu sika a party ni sika from Dr. Bawumia any businessmen na omo donate sika ema party no for 2024 elections campaign. Ana honorable Bryan Acheampong party ni yi ni say wo na wo Eastern Region ti the enim ne distribute sika no efama the various constituencies. And then one nam e dey bo no ho safo hene e twa ntro say ono na sika ne ye ne de ne botom sika na wo de ma e constituencies no. E say omo farmer polling station for no. And Oman farmer, meanwhile, that was not the case. Sikana, yedema, na say on distributing or distributing, no constituencies, no, omo di ye, juma, yedemo, omo say, omo fanya, yan farm, omo say, omo fa, and omo chiskana, Emma polling station executives, no mundi. Now you see, we a party ni, now person will be the party, and now the same way, we sow seed of discord, seed of division. Our party name oka sansem we egu eye party for any mu asempani for a party any mu constituency ugu o mani mu aso ma lion we incite here from for against them man osha ebeboa osha adewe adepa. Is that how obi a we patriot or person odi party any mu behaving? NPP delegates are more Ghana nyina muntie ni such a person cannot lead the NPP and some to abetiano. And you see, we're going to win him because a lot of people respected him on so shall say so your campaign will be in a no work aside. It's sad.
Pipe na ya no tamfo no o mumu. Nanso wan hwe na ama wan hu a hu so wo mumu. Yes, otamfo no pipe no o mumu. Na wan hwe a hu say oden o mumu. We eye de yakoso e wo the New Patriotic Party, the Eastern Region what Ghana Hanum said, the Apostle. Now, the TN say Bryan Acheampong, MP, Abetifi, that's in the Troúble side, no? Yes, in the eastern part of Ghana. Or MPP ni, or a former minister. Now, me know what say there. MPP presidential primary to 2026, no? Or far a year forms out, what I say, or person running for the election, no? Now, Obekaya. Okoye meeting bi ko share delegate for bi I go can say Dr. Bawumia we ni one zongo vote kra ese twa ntro kra to Dr. Bawumia krom ntimi anwini e ma be expose no so be kai that was very last month mo baby either August, yes, because we are in September, so August mo baby e ma be expose no na be expose ni we na chi no e na oye na adwen say about the game plan because when we said the oil no emfa to understand the game plan now him the oil is that the oil say on now na o twantro e the delegates now before I never call no be kai say last week me catch them say we Acheampong nam and no kasa say in days coming no he's going to throw more jabs at the other presidential aspirant on your call for the elections no now social presidential aspirant nipa 5 for mo yomti Canada compare with Japan, Canada compare with Japan, yeah. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Bryan Acheampong, Yawase Duchum, and Kwabena Japan. So, sure, we say aside Kwabena Japan, Dr. Bawumia and Duchum, Kwabena Japan, and Dr. Bawumia, aside Sam Kofumi and Sano. Two Naka, which is Canada Japan and Bryan Acheampong, no, has been, misbehaving all this while, but I don't know what the party is doing about them. But now, what is happening currently, they say, one say, in any 3 days or any 4 days, while we are more Eastern region. And now 15 of the 23 Eastern region MPs or more, no. About one thing, Becca say, almost 25 5 no more you mutin, and Nipa Mujidi say, only on support the tiny chia, Obetimia, Buana, or the partner with it to me, 2028 election, no, Dr. Bawumia. And Untino. Omu declare on support edema Dr. Bawumia mbekaya tama Dr. Bawumia ko pie mo Eastern region no na eno wachi no ana Bryan Acheampong ebe kasa ya obeka asem bi difa ho na onim se me no kasa esi ayi Bryan Acheampong no akakɔhye amanfo achi na o ncite Delegates no against constituency executives am won sa constituencies no etwa ntro so no cross sponsor elections no wabra research amaye ne kire say entisa. So what he's doing now and say okay, but we say these people are far gone into the man say being incited the delegates against the MPs and the constituency executives any national executive. In that case, you know, obetimi da faso enya vote be in case woman to man they will not go out and do what, go and vote, and that's what he's doing, and it's very very bad. It's very very bad, and I think the leadership of the party needs to sit up and tell this guy say now mo come across and say it's not going to help anyone. It's not going to help anyone. Now on sansa every sa kwan na onam so no because emboa dem party no but I seen no so no embem. Hi Ghana ncite TV busua. Edi am jeso any promise.